Hi everyone, Network Guru here, and if you are looking to turn off Find Me iPhone, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone, tap your name at the top, then select Find Me. Next, tap Find Me iPhone and you'll see a switch labeled Find Me iPhone. Go ahead and turn it off. To confirm, enter your Apple ID password, then tap Turn Off in the top right corner. That's it. Find Me iPhone is now disabled. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps. For more iPhone tips and tricks, check out our playlist linked in the description. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.